Hello, everyone. So yesterday I had the pleasure and privilege of being at Blake Majorovich's bar mitzvah at the center. He read the Torah so beautifully. He ended off every paragraph with Vayi Erev, Vayi Boker. There was evening and there was morning. And as I mentioned yesterday at the Simcha, this is the source of why we do everything the night before. When's Shabbos? Oh, that starts Friday night. When's Tuesday? Oh, actually Tuesday starts Monday night. Why do we have it that way? And our rabbis explain that Hashem is training us to appreciate that the way the Jewish people roll is there's darkness and then there's light. So on one level, that's this world. This world is representative of darkness. And we have to appreciate that we live in a world where we don't have all the answers. Even Moshe Rabbeinu didn't understand why bad things happen to good people. We don't know. This is the world of darkness. Vayi Erev, it's the world of evening. But we as Jews believe Vayi Boker, that there's also going to be a time when we go upstairs to the big Yankee Stadium in the sky and we'll see clarity, boker, sunlight, understanding, Vayi Erev, Vayi Boker. And what's true about this world and the next world, I think deep down we all feel that's true about last week and the weeks ahead. We had one of the worst Vayi Erev in the history of the Jewish people and the worst Vayi Erev in my lifetime. But I sense, and I think we all sense, with all the Jewish people coming together, that we're experiencing now a Vayi Boker, clarity that we can do everything that we want to as long as we do it together. I want to make a personal pitch. Most of the people seeing this are from the center, but even if you're not from the center, wherever you are, make it to shul this week. The one thing I know for sure, that if we can do it together, we will be successful. We have a beautiful Shabbat coming up. We have a bat mitzvah this Shabbat. We even have a bar mitzvah coming up very shortly after that. Lots of smachot going on at the center. Come out this Shabbos. We have police and 2 security guards. Everything's under control. Am Yisrael Chai. Be well.